Why would anyone want to learn to code when you can just code with AI at a click of a button? Today, we are going to be diving deep into one of the most exciting features just released by Canva, and it's called Canva Code. If you've ever thought creating apps widgets is out of your reach, then you're absolutely gonna love this video. Because just the way they made design accessible to everyone, they are doing the exact same thing with coding. So what exactly is Canva Code? It's the new AI feature that lets you build interactive tools and experiences just by describing them with your own words, just by giving a few prompts. And I'll show you step by step how to use this platform. Let's dive right in. So I'm here on Canva, and you can see Canva, all I had to click was Canva AI. Now under Canva AI, you can see this bit, code for me. You click on it, code for me. This is like a game changer because you do not need to code at all. You do not need to even know a word of code. Now you can see they've given you some suggestions here, depending on what you want to build as a creator. As a creator, our minds are explosive, so you may have even way more ideas, but ideas and prompts are provided here. Look at this. It says, do you want to build an interactive pricing calculator that you would share with your clients? An interactive historical timeline? So an interactive menu for your restaurant? Different things. Let me scroll down so that you see there's more. Now, just for example's sake, when you click on one, did you notice what happened? As I clicked on it, it populated this box with a prompt. So it has helped you to generate a prompt. So you don't have to go start thinking about a prompt. So create a sleek, modern pricing calculator for my business. Start with an example of Clarity Studio photography. So if this is not your business, you just change it to your own business name. You can change it, take it back and change it to Christie Speaks. So you can customize the prompts to suit your own need, but at least the template has given you an idea of a prompt. But if this is not what you want to do, you can get your own prompt. You can use your own prompts. Let me show you how to do it. You can use your own prompt from scratch. You don't have to use their prompt, but it's a good thing they've given you an example of what the prompt should look like. If I click on anyone, just anyone, see, it changes the prompt. So now it's talking about build an interactive historical timeline component. Now let's try it and see what it's like when we come up with our own prompts. Let's just use any prompt as an example. This is just an example. We are not going to go into full details, but let's try it and see, because this is a new feature. So we need to try with our creative minds. Creators, you need to get in here and try this. So let's do it. For me, I like a lot of... Okay, I'll stop this now to say this. For me, I like to use my voice because my brain just thinks way faster than I can type. So anytime I have the option to use a voice, to use my voice, I do use my voice, and I think that is something I should recommend to you. Use your voice so that you can talk about it naturally the way you will talk instead of trying to type it out. But if you prefer typing, you go ahead and just type in this space. But if you're like me, you like to just talk about it and it types for you even better. So let's do it. Create a landing page for my YouTube channel that's centered around teaching creators how to turn their YouTube channel to a part-time business. Then my YouTube channel is called Christie Speaks, and I want this landing page to be highly convertible. It should contain certain call to actions that will ensure that people either buy my course or purchase my group coaching. So I've given it a very basic and simple prompt. Very basic and simple prompt. I can paste maybe a video here just so that it has a video on the landing page. Use this video for the landing page. This is pretty interesting. Now watch what will happen. The good thing is, after you use your voice, you can always come here and correct any typos. Like for example, my Christie isn't spelled like this. It's spelled Tie. So I correct that real quick and we have it all done just in a few words. I didn't even necessarily have to type out my prompt. I just say it the way I would say it to a friend. So let's go and see what happens here. Click on it and it starts to prepare to code. So it is coding. Watch this. This is just mind blowing, because before now you have to know how to code in order to do this. For me, I don't even know a word of code. So how do I build anything that has to do with coding, that requires coding? I need to outsource this. I need to get someone who can code. Not in this day and age. I've told you that it has never been easier. It has never been easier, creators, to build what you want. All that is required is your creative mind and your voice, even if you don't want to type. Just a few prompts and you see lines of code being built for you. You can tweak it. You can say, no, add this, change this, remove this, add this. So as the coding, I am not touching anything. I'm not touching my computer. I'm not touching my keyboard. I'm not touching anything. The code is just running on its own. It's so beautiful to see this happen in this day and age, because it just changes the game. That's why you hear, vibe coding. You hear people building all sorts of things because the coding can now be done by AI. If AI can code for me, why do I need to go learn to code? Spend all that time learning to code. Do you know how hard it is to code? So, no shade to you if you have gone and learned to code or if you're a coder, but the world is changing and it's changing really fast. And creators, you need to jump on this. You need to jump on this. In the description box below, I'll drop a link to Canva because you need a pro account to do this. So you need to jump on this. Whatever it's in your mind, now you can bring it out to fusion. You don't even need to go hire somebody else, a coder that can code and charge you huge sums of money. A Canva Pro account is less than $13, I believe. So how it doesn't get easier than this. So when I saw this, it was launched earlier this year. I said, I will definitely make a video on this to share it. My creators need to know. They need to know all. They need to have you need to be at the front line of all of this kind of information so that you're there to jump on it. You're there to start to put it to use. Start to make it. Just see, we already have over 300 lines of code without me having any, touching my keyboard or having any knowledge of coding. I can't even explain to you what is being written. That's how much I like knowledge of coding, so that you get it. So this can be done by anybody. You are a stay-at-home mom, jump in, start a YouTube channel. You can create whatever you want to create. Did you see me? I just gave a short. You can see the prompt I gave on the right. A short prompt. I didn't even make it detailed, because I wanted this video to be short, not to be long. I didn't even, make it add more details and more bits and pieces. Oh, you add here, add this, add this, add this. No. Just a short prompt. Do this for me. Make a landing page, and the landing page should be highly convertible. And that's it. And this is all I'm getting. This is just incredible. That's why I needed to show you guys. I needed to make a video on it. I said, my creators must know. They must be one of the first in 2005 to jump on this, to use it to grow their business. That's why I say, if you haven't started a YouTube channel, oh, you are missing in this day and age. It has never been easier. It has never been easier. And this is not just about AdSense money, because a lot of people talk about how much they earn from AdSense on YouTube. No, there are people getting as low as 100, 1,000 views, and they are making good money. I'm telling you, this is not about I need to have 100K views, I need to have 1 billion views, I need to have 1 million views. This is not about views. This is you starting a YouTube channel, building an authority on YouTube, and then converting your channel to a business. So we're all done. Over 500, wow, over 500 lines of code. Okay, I can see the video didn't pop up here. That's what I was looking at. So there's a beautiful red landing page. So I can say change the color. What if I don't like red? I can say change the color. This on this right, you can see this tab. I can add more instruction, type up more instruction, or say it out. You see this mic icon. You can see the instructions out. You can ask it to change the color. So it says, get my course. This is a button to my course. And just like I said, this is a button to my coaching program. Now with it even gave some, trust building logos here, and it states, I'm Christie. I started my YouTube journey with 0 subscribers and a passion for sharing knowledge. Within 18 months, you see how it has written a short it has written on its own. Remember, I didn't ask it to do all this. I didn't say, oh, this is a short profile of myself, which I can now edit, which I can now say, okay, this is a short profile. I can look at this and see, is there something that is written here that I want to change? That's what I would add as the further prompts. But it has given me a good template for me to see. My approach focuses on strategic content creation, audience engagement, and multiple revenue streams that do not rely on AdSense alone. Beautiful. Now look at it gave options. Choose your path to success. So it's either you're here on the left, YouTube monetization mastery, a complete A to Z system for channel growth and monetization. So look at all you'll be getting. And you can enroll here for less than $500. That's even giving me a price. Remember, in my prompt, I didn't even talk about price. It has brainstormed like even the things I haven't thought of. Now, all I need to do is to tweak and adjust and say, what if I want to make the price more than this or less than this? I can give it that further prompts in this box. So let's continue and see. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. It has added success stories for me. That's testimonials. You can see them here. This is from who? Sarah Johnson. So look at all the trust building aspects that it has included. I didn't even mention this because I just gave a short prompt just to make the video real quick. But look at how detailed. That's the beauty of AI. It just goes further and just think, okay, what should be here? What should be here? And it gives you that framework, opens your mind up, and you can then tweak, make changes as it suits you. Look at this. The next is frequently asked questions. So beautiful, because frequently asked questions on any landing page is good. So, ready to transform your YouTube channel? Join hundreds of creators who have turned their passion to profit with proven systems. Get course. Either you click on the Get Course button or you click on the Apply for Coaching. Oh, this is beautiful. And that ends our landing page. But the structure of the landing page already tells me that it understood the mission. It understood what I wanted. Already how the landing page is structured. It understood what I wanted. So I can go back in here and any bits I'm not comfortable with, any bits I want to add or remove, I can say, please change pricing to, let's just call any new price to double the amount stated. So I'm just giving a different prompt to see what happens. Look at what is going on. Creators, look at what is going on. It's taking my new prompt, that's the additional prompt I gave, back to the drawing board. It's taking it back, and now it's gone back to code it right in. How on earth would I have done this myself without having to outsource it and pay, a lot of money to a coder? That's why I say you do not have to learn to code. It's already there. And if we can access this for free, you see the way Canva just made design easy. We make our thumbnails on Canva, we create these, we make cards, we make flyers, all sorts of things. I even use Canva to generate images, Canva AI to generate images and videos. Now, coding is a game changer, because with coding, your creative mind is unlimited. Just all you need to do is think it. And because you're a creator, I've told you before, you are creators because that's who you have been made to be. God himself is a creator and created you to create stuff. So this is your field. Run with it. All you need to do is just that thought, just think about it. If you can think about it, even if the thought is not fully formed, you don't have to wait and say, the message in my head is not fully formed, it's not clear enough. When it's complete, I'll bring it out to the world. No. With AI, who can code for you? Did you notice the prompt I gave it was so short and simple, but it created more than I requested for. And from what it created, I was like, this is nice. So even though my thought wasn't fully formed, so do not wait, just start. Start now if you haven't already. Now is a beautiful time to click that subscribe button if you're getting value from this. Share this video. Share with others. Let people understand how easy this thing is. It's so easy. It has never been easier. Before 2005, you will need a coder to run this code, to create this code. But anyone now, without learning to code, can create whatever you want to create that requires coding, even if it requires coding. It's so beautiful. So I see it running again. It's running again. It's just taking it back. So just imagine this. It comes back and I say, I'd like to change the color of the entire landing page. All I need to do is just speak forth. Hey, it's so beautiful. I'm so excited to be sharing this because it just reminds me of my own Father in heaven. It reminds me of God in heaven. That's our Father. That all he needed to do was speak Just speak. You say he spoke and this became. That's the level. He spoke and this. All you need to do as a creator now is just to speak. You just say, please create do. And the coding runs and is formed. How beautiful is this? I am so excited. I'm so excited about the changes and the direction and the things that are available to us in this day and time. And it's about time that the right people begin to take advantage of it. Because if you're there not taking advantage of it, the wrong people are. And they're creating all the stuff they shouldn't be created, the evil stuff. And you are here. You're waiting. You're waiting. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Just start. Even if your thought is not fully formed, that's why I was so eager to bring this to you, my creators. So on YouTube, there's no limits. We're turning the YouTube channel to businesses. We are building highly convertible landing pages, which is called a funnel. In case you don't know what a funnel is, a funnel is simply something like this, just what is created now, this landing page, where from your YouTube channel, you just tell them, check the description box below and click that link. And the moment they get to this page, all that I see is missing now is a couple of videos, which I would provide the links. They go here. Did you notice the prices have changed? I said, the only prompt, look at the short prompt I gave. Please change the pricing to double the amount stated. That's all. One sentence. And he broke it down. He took the instruction and says, I will double the pricing for both your course and coaching program on the landing page. This will make your YouTube monetization mastery course $994 from $497, and your creator accelerated coaching program even gave it names that sounds cool to me. That sounds cool to me. So you see, you don't have to have all the ideas. That's why AI is here to complement your own knowledge. You just have to be the trigger. You just have to be the one. So you're in charge now. Let it complement your own knowledge. Put it to work. That's what it's supposed to be doing. So I wanted to just show you that you can change anything. You can change anything about it. You can change anything. I can click and see offering, success stories, contact us. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Click that subscribe button, like this video. Tell me in the comment below what you would start using this for immediately. Tell me, and if you're yet to start a YouTube channel, now is your time. It's now or never. What you need to do next is just click on this playlist and watch more of such beautiful contents that I release that can change your life, that can change your business, that can put you on a path to make the kind of money online, even without leaving your home, and you can walk anywhere. Click the playlist and watch other life-changing videos.